6 unique colors. Various 6 colors gel nail polish will outfit your any style and suitable for all season. Ideal for using in a professional nail salon or easy enough to use for DIY nail art at home. Environmental and healthy. Made of premium pigments and natural resins that non-toxic and environmentally friendly material. 11 toxin-free ingredient makes it safe and has low odor. With good tenacity and highly pigmented, this red color gel polish set bring you brilliant shine finish, smooth appearance and flawless coverage. UV LED soak off and long lasting. This blue collection set need to be cured under LED UV light. With proper application, last at least 3 weeks and still looks bright and shine. Great gift for DIY nail art. This glitter color gel polish kit is perfect for all daily working or dating, party and holiday or special festivals. It is great gift for Christmas, New Year, birthday, anniversary, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day. Warm tips. Please read the instruction or product's description for more details. Only used for nail and non-direct contact with the skin. Wash immediately if contact occurs. If you feel unwell, instantly stop using and seek medical attention. Keep the products away from the pregnant and the kids. Top reviews from the United States. My new favorite polish. I love the brush. Makes for easy, smooth application and only needed 2 thin coats. I have about 10 other polish brands but this is my new favorite. Beautiful color selection. Be sure to use a quality base and top coat.